Good morning! I don't have anything else to say, so, intro!
Rolling deep, baby.
What's up, everybody? My name is Connor. Some of you may know already, obviously. I am one of the creators of Antidote. You see us around the track all the time at No Motorsports Park, or really right now only local events. Just wanted to hop on here. We're gonna be doing a giveaway for a 1JZ GTE-VVTI, and just wanted to kind of get on here and say why. I've been still struggling with treatment and fighting cancer and all this, crap, and it's just getting to a point where I can't hold on to some of the things that I want to hold on to. I've been trying, trust me. There's nothing more that I want to do than be with my family and go drifting and just be in a car-related atmosphere, but it's just not in the cards right now. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna hop on here, post the 1J for raffle. Hopefully somebody gets it, locally, so I can still see it, around and working. We'll probably just do a $50 buy-in right now. All the proceeds are gonna go to my charity, just to help me out in the future. Obviously, I'll be back. I'll be sorry. This sucks. I'll be back drifting at some point, obviously. But for now, this is just something I have to do. So just be on the lookout for the 1J. Hope somebody local gets it, like I said, but if not, I don't mind a little road trip. Go do a walk around at a 1J real quick. But before we go over there, it's a 1JZ GTE-VVTI, and it actually has the manual ECU. It has a really nice stock engine harness. It has the MAF, and I'll show everybody that when I get over there. It's one of the easier swaps in my opinion, I guess because I've done a couple with my friend Nick, and a lot of people don't realize how simple they can be, especially with wiring specialties harnesses and stock ECU. Like, I've actually never had a standalone in any of my S chassis JZ cars, and they've always been stock ECU, and they just rip. Motion Auto TV Trevor, he did it forever ago. And whenever that harness came out for wiring specialties, I bought it so fast. That was obviously when prices for 2Js were $1,800. So we'll get to that point in a second. Let's walk over and take a look at the motor. All right, so here's the 1J. It's pretty stock right now, obviously. This ain't stocked up. This ain't stocked up. Bam.
Damn!
I'll probably post a couple videos. I'm gonna be cleaning it up, obviously, pulling some things off, getting it ready. I just got a front sump from Nicholas, and look how clean this thing is. Oh my goodness. Jesus. This is it. Just keep up to date with the Antidote page. We're going to be posting the 1J on there soon, and then we got a lot of things going on. So we'll try to document what we can. pay attention because this is for all the New Orleans local drifters. This is going to be the channel to watch, just so you could keep up with all the new things going on at the track. We're going to try to keep everybody updated the best we can. So keep up, or try to keep up.
The next day.
Just be rolling. This is mine. My ball. This is closest. This is closest. This is closest to the bed. Michael's gonna go first. It's his birthday, so there's no way. This is gonna be good. There's no way. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh.
Excuses.
He just turned 34. He can't feel his neck. He's Batman. Maybe he'll do good then. Here we go. Par 3. 114 yard par 3. In the backstroke. Alright, let's see where we land. Flop shot. Absolutely fucking terrible. God damn it, Michael, you hit it good. Good line. So is he supposed to get a handicap? I think so. No! Alright, so
You watch this bounce down the fucking road into the security zone.
yeah, I'm worried about going alone. You got it, dude.
Put too much off.
Oh yes!
Money shot.
We're scrambling.
Money
We're
shot.
scrambling.
That's close.
We're scrambling.
Oh my god.
I think I went past the
That's my turn?
Alright, let's get a couple whiffs in, guys. Don't hit it the first time, every time. What you mean you hit it the first time?
Yeah, no.
You better. You got to.
I hit it on like the third time. You got to give the ball a little.
Oh,
warning.
yeah. Does this thing have selfie mode?
Yeah, you just flip the camera. Just turn the camera around.
Oh, hell yeah.
I'm supposed to. I got called out on my toes last time.
Just close your eyes and swing and hope for the best.
Swing with my eyes closed.
Right through the window at a Z.
He's about to get a roller past.
Ground balls count.
How'd it go? You weren't even looking. No, eyes were closed. He told me to close my eyes. We gotta go see where the ball's lie.
I'd say that way. Play it where it lies.
That was a good shot. Eyes closed. He did a trick
I
shot.
can't believe I hit the ball.
Yeah, I'm about to put it right on.
You're gonna get an alley-oop? I don't think that's the right sport. Oh!
Noticed that it didn't measure because I would have won the measuring contest.
Yeah.
You know, we just skipped that part of time.
We always skip the measuring part. You had a good bounce, dude.
That bounce was serious.
Good bounce.
All right, we gotta get the balls.
He's running a route.
Oh yeah.
Epilogue.
What's up, guys? We're over here at Connor and Brian's shop. We're trying to lower the front of the car a little bit since the 90 is got this weird little stance. It's like almost higher in the front than it is in the back. So I'll post a little picture maybe up here so you guys can see what it actually looks like a little bit easier. So we're gonna pull it around. I think Brian's working on the S13 today, so maybe we'll get a little bit of footage of that. He's trying to get it prepped to pull the motor out. So we're gonna deal with this. We're gonna pull it around. We're gonna get it jacked up, start lowering it, and at the same time, we're gonna get footage of Brian doing his thing as well.
use your tools.
I don't know why that's tight.
That's what she said. Should have been a photographer a long time ago. Nah, I mean, other people work on your cars and stuff. Like,
Man, the camera, your work done for free, kind of. Except you gotta do camera work things. It evens out.
So we finished up for now. I mean, it's not, I don't think it's perfect. I don't think it's like, it's definitely never gonna be slammed or anything like that. So it'll be good enough for now. I'm gonna drive it around like this for a little while. Maybe we'll lower it just a teensy bit more, but maybe we'll just leave it like this. It is on an incline, so I can't really judge it just yet, so. What's up, guys? We finally made it home. You guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you ring that bell notification so you guys can be notified for future uploads. And until next time, guys, peace.